In this video, I'm going to show you how to add profile photo on Zoom app. Okay, so first let's go to Zoom. And then at the bottom right, let's tap on settings. And then let's tap on our profile, which is our name. And then let's tap on profile photo. And then here we could choose whether we want to take or choose a photo from our gallery. And after you have decided on that, you could just tap on done, and that is how you add a profile photo on Zoom. So let's try taking a photo, and then let's capture that, and then tap check, some edit, tap done, and that is how you add profile photo to Zoom application. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.